Sandhya Ramesh, President of Innerwheel Club Madras Central. Sandhya's leadership qualities are like those of a goose. Sandhya allows the team to manage themselves and they will find a way of working together synergistically, just like geese do. Geese are great team players. Sandhya manages to motivate everyone in the team to play their role perfectly well. PDC Radha Ranganathan, Innerwheel Club of Madras Central Aditya. Radha Ranganathan is supportive like the pillar of a building. Even though she never makes herself the center of attention, she is the most important part of the structure. Just like the pillar, she can handle all the pressure that is put on her, and this helps ease tension in the structure. A pillar is most essential to create balance in the building. Radha Ranganathan is always so quick to show initiative. Kumari Parthaban, President of Innerwheel Club Madras Cosmos. Just as an anthurium symbolizes kindness, Kumari Parthaban is an epitome of benevolence. Tropical anthurium is an exotic flower that symbolizes hospitality and also represents kindness. Kumari believes in her work and her success on an emotional level. Purnima Kumar, President of Innerwheel Club Madras Esplanade. Purnima Kumar, just as a dove, is a symbol of peace. Purnima is loyal, honest, and friendly as a dove. She, just as a dove, advocates peace and harmony. Purnima's work ethic is out of the world. Komal Sanghvi, President of Innerwheel Club Madras Fort. Komal is pure like the lotus flower. The lotus is regarded as a symbol of purity, enlightenment, self-regeneration, and rebirth. With its roots based in mud, it submerges every night into murky river water, and undeterred by its dirty environment, it miraculously reblooms the next morning without residue on its petals. Spiritually, Komal Sanghvi is like a lotus, a high and pure soul, unaffected by any surrounding issues, unwaveringly spreads the message of peace, service, and tranquility. Swarna Malinga, President of Innerwheel Club Madras Metro. Swarna Malinga stands out like the North Star. Her presence commands attention and respect. No matter how large the crowd of stars is, she shines brightly in any crowd, always guiding and showing the right way to her peers. Vijaya Subramani, President of Innerwheel Club Madras Midtown. Vijaya is as resourceful as a book. Every time you open a book, you learn something new. No matter if it is 1,000,000 times you meet Viji, you will gain some knowledge too. Always giving, Vijaya is an incredible social worker. Akriti Miglani, Innerwheel Club of Madras Next Gen. Akriti is luminous like a candle. A candle is a symbol of selfless generosity. It stands so unwavering in its place, so erect, so clear, in perfect readiness to be of service. She illuminates the surrounding with her presence. Akriti's kindness is a balm to all who encounter it. Valarmati Karthikeyan, President of Innovale Club Madras North. Valarmati's strength is comparable to that of a rock. She is a person that could be relied upon to provide a grounding force to her team, a person that could be counted on to give stability when issues seemed to be bigger than what someone else could handle alone. To add to this, Valarmati has a will made of rock.